we arrive at the moment we've all been waiting for, the official launch of Reprosex, the international journal on sexual and reproductive health. Ladies and gentlemen, this journal represents years of planning, vision, and collaborations, and today it comes to life as a platform for dialogue, research, and advocacy for SRHR. And all of us here in this audience now have the privilege of witnessing this historic launch. So now, to signify the official launch of the journal, I would like to invite a few dignitaries to please join us on stage, and they will be presenting the journal to some of our special invitees. And while the invitees are being presented with the journal, each of you in the audience will receive a copy of your own. So now, to do the honor of presenting the journal signifying the official launch, I would like to invite Professor Indralal De Silva, Emeritus Professor of Demography, University of Colombo, Professor Sanath Lanarol, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Castle Street Hospital for Women Teaching, Mrs. Aruni Marceline, President, Board of Directors, FPA Sri Lanka, and Dr. Ruchita Pereira, Executive Director, FPA Sri Lanka. That will be our presentation party, ladies and gentlemen, and till they join us up, I would like to invite our esteemed invitees to join us on stage to receive their copy of the journal. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. Asela Gunawardena, Director General of Health Services, our guest of honor for the day. His Excellency Wade Bo, Ambassador of the Kingdom of Netherlands to Sri Lanka, Dr. Rui Paulo de Jesus, Country Representative, World Health Organization, Mr. Fungsho Wangye, Officer in Charge, UNFPA, Professor Sir Sabaratnam Arukumaran, former President, International Federation of Gynecology and Obstetrics, Professor Misake Lumbigon, immediate past President, the Asia and Oceania Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology, AOFOG, Professor Jung Shin Park, Vice President, AOFOG, Professor Kung Hizing Su, President-elect, AOFOG, Dr. Rokana Hattotua, Secretary General, AOFOG, Professor Hiroki Hajiyama, Editor-in-Chief, Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology Research, Dr. Christia Padalina, Treasurer, AOFOG, and Professor Krishnadu Gupta, Deputy Secretary General, AOFOG. The historic launch of Sri Lanka's first international journal on sexual and reproductive health, Reprosex. A massive round of applause for everyone who has contributed to the success of this journal.